Namaskar friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Saab unveils Nimbrix, a new low-cost counter-UAS missile to counter rising drone threats. Saab has unveiled Nimbrix, its first dedicated counter-unmanned aerial system (CUAS) missile, designed to address the growing presence of small drones on the battlefield. The fire-and-forget weapon is under rapid development and will feature a target seeker, hard-kill warhead, and compact design at low cost. The missile will offer a range of up to 5 kilometers and use an active seeker to track targets. Its airburst warhead has been developed to defeat unmanned aerial system swarms effectively. Nimbrix is our answer to the unmanned aerial threats which have escalated in the last few years. It is cost-effective, which is critical given the proliferation of UASs on the battlefield. Nimbrix benefits from our long experience of air defense, together with an agile way of responding to new needs, says Stefan Oberg, head of Saab's business unit Missile Systems. Nimbrix is intended for ground-based use, operating either independently or as part of wider air defense systems. With adaptable mounting options, it can be fitted to vehicles or fixed positions to meet different customer requirements. Saab highlights the cost efficiency of the missile as a way to maximize deployment and provide sufficient defensive coverage. The company has confirmed ongoing customer discussions and is targeting first deliveries in 2026. The system will be presented at DSEI in London between 9 and the 12th of September 2025 at the Saab stand, N9105. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.